Hi, my name is Dr. Jacobs. I'm a doctor of physical therapy, advanced clinical nutritionist, and inventor of ASTR. Our healthcare system is broken. Every day we speak with patients who have been suffering with chronic pain for years. By the time they find us, most patients have gone through multiple rounds of painful and invasive treatments, have completed 14 to 25 sessions with other physical therapists, chiropractors, massage therapists, acupuncturists, and pain management doctors, and will have spent an average of $5,000 on copays and deductibles, but still suffering with chronic pain. At ASTR, we believe patients should expect more. We empower patients to take a charge of their health by providing them with new treatment approach that actually works. With our step-by-step online treatment programs and patented toolkit, patients have everything they need to quickly and gently break down scar tissue and fascia restrictions while reducing inflammation that often causes chronic pain. Our programs teach patients proper posture, ergonomics, body mechanics, nutrition, lifestyle changes, and exercises so that they are able to experience long term pain relief, all from the comfort of their home. Based on a recent neck study, 83% of ASTR patients experienced significant pain relief within their first ASTR treatment, and 87% were still pain-free 1 to 2 years later. The average patient spent less than $500 on our toolkit and home treatment programs. With our kit and home treatment programs, patients have everything they need to treat their pain at home today and for the years to come. Why settle for less? Take a charge of your health today. Become part of ASTR community of empowered patients.